How to create a simple curtain wall. In this chapter, we'll create a simple curtain wall. We will show the basic functions of the tool and see how easy it is to set and how quick it is to create a multi-story curtain wall. Architects will get a free hand to design an arbitrary contour on the floor plan, and ArchiCAD will be able to flexibly follow that concept. Let's start by activating the first preset view located in the Chapter 1 folder. Choose the Curtain Wall tool and open the Settings dialog. Select the Curtain Wall system on the left side of the dialog and open the Favorites palette, clicking on the Curtain Wall Favorites button. Activate the CW1 favorite. You can also use the Window, Palettes, Favorites palettes for this. On the Settings dialog, you can find the different setting options of the curtain wall. Positioning. Here you can see a feedback image which shows the basic parameters of the curtain wall, like offsets between the reference surface and the different frame types. Floor plan and section. Here you can set the required 2D representation of the curtain wall for the floor plan, section window, and documentation. Member placement. Here you can place junctions and set the position of the boundaries and mullions. Switch to the scheme. Here you can see the position of the primary and secondary grid lines. Normally the primary grid lines are vertical and the secondary are horizontal. The preview window shows the pattern of the panels. Let's customize the curtain wall. Delete the C grid. Enter 650 mm to the B grid. Delete the 3 grid. Enter 1100 mm to the 1 and 2000 mm to the 2 grid. Click on the top right panel in the preview window to change the main panel to sub. White will be highlighted in gray. Select the boundary. Here you can choose the type of frame or also load a unique preset profile. After selecting a frame, you can set its geometry. You can choose the frame material under the Model option. Similarly to the boundary, you can set the mullion and transom too. In default, there is a frame intersection priority between the 3 types of frames. Boundary has the highest priority of 15, mullion the middle at 10, and transom the lowest with a priority of 5. After placing the curtain wall, you can overwrite these priority levels. Go to the Main and Distinct panel. Here you can select the type of panel or also load a unique one. Similarly to the frames, you can change the material of the panel. After you've finished the settings, press OK in the dialog. Now let's start to draw the curtain wall. Select the Chain Geometry method on the info box. Start to draw from 1 to 4 points. Change the geometry method to arc by 3 points on the pet palette and draw an arced line between points 4 and 6. Change the method back to straight segment and finish the reference plane at point 7. Right-click with the mouse and select OK in the dialog. You can also use a double left click to finish it. To choose the external side of the curtain wall, click on the right side of the wall with the sun cursor. You will get a Place Curtain Wall dialog. Here you can set the height of the curtain wall, so enter 10,200 mm to the current story. Zoom out with the Fit In window to see the entire floor plan. Activate the next preset view to see how the 3D model looks so far. This completes Chapter 1. In just a few moments, we've completed a 3-story building skin and created a parallel curtain wall with exact 2D and 3D representations. This will definitely speed up curtain wall modeling.